right, lay down your caramel apple cookie dough and just flatten it oh so lightly in your greased 13 by 9 pan. Now, if you can't find these caramel apple cookies, sugar cookie will work just as well. But since these are seasonal, I wanted to take advantage of them while I can. Okay, and just really get a nice layer of cookie dough. I'm using 2 packages total of those caramel apple cookie doughs. Oh, and it has those little chunks of caramel in it. These are gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I'm coming in with my apple pie filling, and we're gonna go ahead and just get that right on top of our apples, nice and good. Oh yeah, get all of those out. Perfect. Okay, now I do have 2 cans. I feel like when you're making a 13 by 9 dish, you need 2 cans of pie filling. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. This is so perfect for fall, so easy. You just get your, pre-made cookie dough and your pre-made pie filling. Obviously, you always have the option to make homemade, but I like things to be easy and I'm gonna keep it that way.
Smells delicious.
Yeah, so just spread out your apples nice and flat on top of those cookies. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. If you like apples, you're gonna love this dessert. It is a winner. Okay, perfect. Now this next part is optional, but I definitely recommend. I have some caramel bits right here, caramel bits, and we're gonna go ahead and just sprinkle them on top of our caramel, or on top of our apples to make them caramel apples. Oh my goodness. Look how decadent that looks.
And those are just gonna melt right on top.
Yep, perfect. Okay, I used less than half the bag of those. We're almost done here, you guys. This is such an easy dessert. Now I'm gonna grab my classic yellow cake mix because this is gonna be a dump cake and we're gonna dump it right on top. Oh yeah. And you can use whatever cake mix you like. You can use vanilla, you can use white cake mix, you can use butter golden, you can even use like a muffin mix. Just put it right on top, one whole box. Perfect.
Like an apple crumble.
Yeah, that would be really good. I did see apple crumble, but it was gluten-free, so I opted out of it. All right, I'm gonna just go ahead and spread that from edge to edge. Make sure we get a nice flat layer of that cake mix. It's okay if it kind of gets a little mixed in with the apples and the caramel. It's all going in the same place anyways. Okay, beautiful. This is looking so good. Now, I am way too excited to try this. It's kind of like a pie in a 13 by 9 pan. We have the crust with the cookies, we have the pie filling, the apple pie filling, and then we have our crumble on top. And we're just gonna grab some butter to make this a true crumble. Oh yeah. And we just cut our butter into thin slices so we can put it right on top of that cake mix, just like so. Shouldn't need more than a stick and like a half a stick. That should be plenty for this dessert. I'm gonna grab one more slice and just break it in half if I can, so I can put it right there. Beautiful. Okay, our caramel apple dessert is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for 45 to 50 minutes. Woo! That looks so good. Oh, I can smell it. It smells like apple pie.
Ooh, I see the little caramel pieces.
All right, now before we dig into this, I am gonna grab my Breyers ice cream vanilla because that's what goes best with apple pie. Oh my, okay, we want a nice big scoop. Ooh, perfect.
Oh, how'd you get that ice cream out so easy?
Ooh, it's a secret I'll never tell.
I think you've said it before.
Okay, now it's time to cut into our apple dessert. Get all the way through to that cookie.
Oh, it's perfectly cooked.
Oh yeah. Crispy top, gooey in the center. Woo! Doesn't need to come out perfect, okay? Oh, but it did.
Gosh.
Oh my goodness.
It's perfectly cooked under there.
It looks so good.
Looks good.
Okay. ice cream with that.
Perfect bite.
Okay.
Is it good?
That is so good, you guys.